I found an amazing AI tool that can generate 10 short videos every 30 seconds. It's engaging, it's shareable, it's the future. It has never been easier. WOXO Tech is here to change the game. This AI-powered tool makes video creation easy and fast. WOXO is an automatic short video generator that can create bulk short videos for you. We live in a digital world. To win, you need to adapt. That means using the best tools available. WOXO Tech is a game changer. It's like having a whole production team in your pocket. You can create professional-looking videos in minutes, no matter your skill level. Let's begin. Now, let's see how you can make short videos in bulk. You'll find the link to this website in the description below. Sign up for an account. It's quick, easy, and free. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here, you'll see some social media formats, and at the bottom, you'll see more options. WOXO Base is perfect for beginners. It's intuitive and easy to use. If you go to the left corner, you can see that you have two options, WOXO Base and WOXO Ultra. With WOXO Base, you get 50 credits a month, and each video costs 10 credits. With WOXO Ultra, you get more credits per month, but each video costs 100 credits. However, the quality is significantly better with WOXO Ultra. Let's start with WOXO Base. Here, you need to enter a prompt. First, specify how many videos you want. Then enter the subject of your video. I'm going to ask it to create a video about Ronaldo and his journey to success. Next, you have the settings. You can choose the subject, background, language, voiceover, with different voices to choose from, text, and music. Let's apply these settings and generate the video. As you can see, the video looks very professional, and this is only the free version. On the right, you can see that everything is done for you, including the hashtags, which you can copy and paste. It's also possible to schedule the video so it will post automatically for you. I personally like to edit them some more, but that's up to you. You can make up to 10 videos each time you enter a prompt. You can even use ChatGPT to write your prompts for you. It's that easy. Want more advanced features? Check out WOXO Ultra. It gives you more control over customization and effects. No matter your experience level, WOXO Tech has you covered. But wait, there's more. The ChatGPT plugin takes your writing to the next level. If you have a ChatGPT Plus plan, you can make videos directly from ChatGPT using the WOXO plugin. This feature is really cool, but I don't have a ChatGPT Plus plan right now, so I won't go into that. They offer a free version with all the basic tools you need. Want to unlock the full potential? Upgrade to the premium version for advanced features and unlimited creativity. Trust me, it's worth it. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.